Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the gold chart on 14th of March 2023, then show you some positions that you can make and see what's gonna happen next. Then I'm gonna show you the positions that I made yesterday on gold. So before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me and gives me the energy to make better videos for you. Thank you, and let's start now. In my previous video, which you can check up there, okay, I told you that we have this resistance line here. If we can close this candle here, which broke this resistance, if that candle was closing like a pin bar, which didn't, we could go for sell positions, right? But it didn't close like that, okay, and instead the candle closed like a nice green candle and broke this line and started going up, okay. In the lower time frames, in the 15-minute time frame, I told you that we are in this box. If we just can go out of this, we can go to the upside, or if we break from downside, we can go to the downside, which it did broke from here and started going up. Right now in the price, we do have again a range. The price is falling and going up, and again falling and again going up, and right now again it started falling. In the 5-minute time frame, we can do have some nice actually positions. If you can see this pin bar on this resistance area, we could enter sell position here, put our stop loss above the candle, and look for risk reward too, which it gives us our reward, of course. Right now, if we see a nice candle here, or on this support area, a nice green candle like this one here, or a pin bar, we can go for buy positions. Don't worry about this, it can be a actually pin bar in the future. We have to wait for 3 minutes, or in the 15-minute time frame we can wait for 13 minutes and see what's gonna happen next. So it's all about today's analysis about gold. Let's switch to the positions I made yesterday and see what happened there. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, this is gold chart, 5-minute time frame, 13th of March 2023. Then I'm gonna show you 4 positions I made today, actually yesterday, and see what's going on there. But before we start this part, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me and gives me the energy to make better videos for you. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see, on the first position we did have a trend line with 1 touch, 2 touches. On the 3rd time it is broken here, but I drew this tool from here, and I actually set my stop loss below this candle, and it gave me something around RR3 here. On the second position, we did have actually a support line here where the price was falling and touched an invisible level and started going up, okay. We draw a support line like this, and in the future you can see the price started falling again and touched this level. And when we see a nice candle like this one, a nice green candle like that, we can enter to the buy position, put our stop loss below the candles, and it gave me something around RR, or risk to reward, to actually 6. On the 3rd position, we did have this trend line with 2 touches. On the 3rd time it was broken here, you can enter here, put your stop loss below the candles, and it gave me something around 7.6 here. We could also enter a buy position on this trend line too. This is a small trend line on this time frame, on 5-minute time frame, but in the bigger time frames like 1 minute time, smaller time frames like 1 minute time frame, it is a big actually trend line. On the last position we did have this trend line with actually 1 touch, 2 touch, 3, 4, 5 touches. On the 5th time it was broken here. We could enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candles or somewhere safer here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 2.8 here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this part. and this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me and gives me the energy to make better videos for you. Thank you. Bye bye. You